Tapos na po maggawa ng pizza. Kaya mag-picture taking na muna po tayo. Oops, sorry, ang daming tao. Ayan, mabilis na picture lang po. And of course, with Team Mapait.
Ay, balik mo na kayo doon. Ang morning kayo, ha? Mamaya ulit kayo ito. Last one. Look that way. And smile.
Smile, everyone.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Ayan na, awarding time. Thank you so much po, teacher, kay sir, and sa principal po namin. Thank you, tatay and mommy. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you, classmates. Thank you, Shakies. Mwah!